Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Prince Academy. I hope you guys are preparing well for your upcoming exams conducted by Ignou, right? And this video is mainly for first year MSO program Ignou students and also for interested candidates in this topic. In this video, we are going to deal with the concept research from the subject of research methodologies and methods. MSO 002 MSO program by Ignou, right? We'll start our video with the definition of research and how the research will work on and what are the types of research. We'll see one by one. So let's start our video with the definition of research. Let's see. Research refers to a systematic study of one's chosen subject for arriving at both new and valid conclusions. Research refers to a systematic study. It's a systematic study to inquire new and valid conclusions. Some of the conclusions are already developed. Some of the theories are already developed. Some of the hypotheses are already developed. So, research means we are again searching for those conclusions are valid or null. Understand? So, by this we can form either new research, new conclusions, or we'll update those valid conclusions. Understand? Research in the sense of scientific inquiry for new and valid conclusions. Let's see next. How the research will be going on. How we choose the research topic. How we'll move to research something. On interest basis generally. Right? On interest basis. Some of have interest on scientific projects. Some of have interest on social projects, right? Next, availability of research. We'll check the availability of research. Are the resources are available or not? Are the materials or the notes or journals are available or not? We'll check the availability of research and selecting of methods and methodologies. Some of the methods are mentioned in this textbook as well. So we'll select those methods and methodologies to conduct our research, and based on importance of topic. Importance of topic will play a key role while conducting a research. And next, scope of topic, right? Let's see the types of research. Research that is heavily theoretical, and it was conducted for the pragmatic reason of collecting facts. Research means collecting facts through by researching. Understand? The research that is heavily theoretical, it's a heavy theoretical work, and it was conducted for the pragmatic, practical reason of collecting facts. Understand? Let's see the types of research one by one. First one, basic and applied. Basic or pure or fundamental research is used to verify doubts and no practical use. Basic is also called as pure research, also known as fundamental research, is used to verify doubts that was already provided in those theses. Understand? Next, applied research is for social planning, social legislation, religion, etc. It focuses on analyzing and solving social problems. It focuses on analyzing. Applied research is we applied the research methodologies to a problem, and we analyze those problems and we solve those social problems with the applied research. Next, descriptive and analytical. Descriptive research describes a social situation, social events, social structures, etc. Example, study of drug use. Understand? Its main purpose is to describe the state of affairs as it exists. For instance, a study of drug abuse would cover questions like the extent of drug abuse among college students and the nature of drugs taken and the causes of taking drugs, the sources of drugs, and the effects of taking drugs. We'll cover those side topics. Understand? In a descriptive manner. Then next one is analytical research. As of you know, with the word analytical describes analysis. Analytical research use facts or information already available. Those facts or information which are already available, and will analyze them to make a critical evaluation. Will analyze them to make a critical evaluation. Next, third one, empirical or explanatory. Empirical research relies on the experiences or observations along. Understand? It is a data-based research. We'll see one by one. Empirical research relies on the experiences or observations alone, often without due regard to systems and theory. It is a data-based research. It is a data-based research. Understand? Coming up with conclusions. Exploratory research is qualitative. Exploratory research is qualitative. Useful in formulating hypotheses. Useful in formulating hypotheses or theories. And exploratory studies are also suitable for common phenomena, regular phenomena. Understand? Like problems in functioning, deficiencies in the functioning of educational systems, and corruption among the political elite, and harassment by police, rural poverty, etc. Those type of topics will use exploratory research. Understand? Next, quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative research is based on the measurement of quantity, and it is applicable to phenomena that can be expressed in terms of quantity. This type of research is actually based on the methodological principles of positivism. Understand? Let's see qualitative. Qualitative is non-quantitative. As of I mentioned already, qualitative is non-quantitative analysis, and it is concerned with the qualitative phenomena. Example, investigating the reasons for human behavior. It explains the quality of human behavior and the causes and effects of human behavior, which affects the quality of human behavior. Understand? And the fifth one is explanatory and longitudinal. Explanatory research mainly focuses on causes, occurrence, and why factor. Explanatory research means in a explanation manner, which means we are giving explanation, like why it was happened, what is the cause, why it occurred, which like explanatory research mainly focuses on causes, occurrences, and why factor. It aims to establish a relationship between variables. Example, research on violence against women. An explanatory hypothesis would be why men commit violence. Actually, the research topic is research on violence against women. Explanatory hypothesis would be why men commit violence. Next, longitudinal research involves the study of a phenomena over a period of time. Longitudinal research involves the study of a phenomena over a period of time, for a particular period of time. Next, see, experimental and evaluative research. Experimental research would be processed by using various experiments to find out causes and effects of the problem. Through by experiments. Experimental research is processed through by experiments to find out causes and effects of the problem. Next, social workers have become increasingly involved in evaluative research. Evaluative research mainly aims on the effectiveness of the program. Effectiveness through by evaluation only. Effectiveness of the program or efficiency of a program. For example, MG Narega program. How efficient the program was is to be find out only through by evaluative research. Understand? The seventh one is participatory action research. Action research had its involvement with practical issues. The kinds of issues. Let's see one by one. 4 defining characters of action research. And the first one is practical, aimed at dealing with practical problems. In the action research, participatory action research, in the practical characteristic, aimed at dealing with practical problems. They mostly choose the practical problems that what available in our present society. And change. Second one is change. Focus on discovering more about change in social phenomena. Change in social phenomena. They discover the change in social phenomena. And cyclical. Develops a feedback loop to change or alter initial findings. If they have initial findings, if they have initial conclusions, they develop a feedback loop to change or alter those initial findings. Understand? Participation. Practitioners are crucial to conduct research actively. Action research will be conducted in two stages. In the first stage is research is carried out, done, and the second stage practitioners apply those research results generated from research. Practitioners apply knowledge generated from research. This is how the participatory action research works out. I hope you understand the definition of research and types of research. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.